Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. Ivy gourd or tondekai or tendli or kundru is more than just a vegetable in Konkani households. It's a memory, a connection to home cooked traditions which never fade. Most of us hated this vegetable in our childhood, didn't we? I still remember the first time I had this Tendle Bhaji during my eldest cousin's wedding meal. A grand Konkani spread on a banana leaf. Today I'm recreating that very recipe, the Konkani style Ivy gourd or Tendle Bhaji with cashew nuts, just the way I fell in love with it. And this is very much a part of my weekly or bi-weekly menu. This dish needs only a handful of ingredients, but each one brings its own magic. I've taken roughly 400 grams of tendli and 15 to 16 cashew nuts. And I'm going to quickly split every cashew nut vertically like this. Now in the Konkani cuisine, the way vegetables are cut plays a crucial role in how they absorb flavors and cook. So for this version of Tendle Bhaji, we slice every ivy gourd longitudinally into 4 parts instead of dicing or slicing them into rounds. That's because slicing every ivy gourd lengthwise ensures that all pieces cook evenly without turning mushy. Since this dish is a stir fry, we want a balance where the tendli is tender but still has a slight crunch. Cutting it in any other way can make it turn mushy or take longer to cook. To build the perfect base for our Tendle Bhaji, we start with 3 medium sliced onions. So once the oil is warm, in go the onions. After sauteing for a minute, we'll add a pinch of hing, and it enhances the onion's natural umami, reduces any sharpness and brings a subtle savory aroma that blends beautifully with the ivy gourd later. Now comes the best part, cashews. I'm using diced ones so that every bite has that crunchy, nutty goodness. We'll roast them along with the tendli for just 2 or 3 minutes until they turn golden brown. Yes, just like you're seeing here. This step is actually what makes this dish truly special. The cashews bring in mild sweetness and a rich buttery crunch which make the simple tendli feel so indulgent. Now comes our main ingredient, which is the ivy gourd. And over a medium flame, we'll keep sauteing this for a while. And we'll cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Let's remember that we want the ivy gourd to be tender yet slightly crisp, not mushy. We'll quickly add 2 or 3 slit green chilies. Let's saute for a bit again, and we'll add a pinch of turmeric powder. Well, it's time to add some salt to taste as well. We are almost done, and the flavors are going to be just amazing. With the mild crunch of tendli, the slight bitterness that gets mellowed down with cooking, and the crispiness of fried cashews. This is one of those dishes which proves simple food can be truly soulful. Now, if you are someone who juggles a busy schedule but still wants to eat good home-cooked food, this is perfect for you because it takes just 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish. With no grinding or complex steps, you can pair this with anything. You can serve it with dal, rice, chapati, or even as a side dish with curd rice. It fits into any meal. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and share it across with your friends. Drop in your comments and suggestions on what you want me to make in my next video. And if you find my content worthwhile, you can also follow me on my website and Instagram, the handle of which is right in front of you. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.